Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Yesterday turned out to be one hell of a ripper as we got down to our 545, got a bullish cross, and then moved on up. Sort of those two things we were talking about, which was we had an extreme DEX, and sometimes that gives us a contrary move the opposite direction, and it was the end of the month, which we talked about in the video as well yesterday, saying that there is some subjective data that says we do go up at the end of the month. So both of those matched up pretty well, and we got a nice rip on that early clip. Customer sentiment still in short the pop mode, not too heavy right now. It's slowly trickling up. Not a whole lot on our whale target page right now. That's going to update later on today, and we'll throw that out as we go along. So we'll keep an eye here. We had some higher levels up here yesterday. I bet those pop back up again, and then we might see a couple lower as well. We'll get them out on X as soon as they are updated. Going for our dark pools. Remember when we kept saying the further we get away from our largest dark pool, the faster we get to it, and we were really high. Then we came low. Then we dipped really low below it. Now we're right back to that area, although we're at 557 in the pre-market session. So let's see how that looks on our gamma. Make sure to mark those dark pools on your charts that we just covered. You can always pause and do so, or use the bot ping like I do. Those are my favorite. 555, huge positive wall that we're going to have to keep an eye on right here. Below price, there's a little bit of stop at 550, and then there's nothing down until 535, very thin. And on the upside as well, 555 all the way up to 572 is pretty thin. Right now, pulls are still to the right. We'll see if that updates later on today and we get any changes there. Let's check today's data for one and see what that looks like, see if there's any difference. So we're around 557 pre-market session. We could go down to 555. What I'm about to say is if we go down to 555 and hold that, we have room up to 561, 562, 563. Positive gamma cluster right here. We'll see if price can get past that for today's expire. If we blow through 555, pretty easy look. We're going to 550 again today, and then on down to that 545. So 555, we're just sitting right around this positive gamma cluster right here, right now. Pretty simple look today. We stay above. We have nice potential for some room up, and if we lose it, nice potential for some room down. That is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there, and go get that Oprah money.